is this? It looks like an egg. Giroux, have you ever heard of these? Whoa! Do you see that? It's like a liquidy egg with a yolk inside, but it's kind of like a hard-boiled egg, the way it stays, but it's squishy. Wow, that's so amazing. Look at that. Oh, Biggie wrote us a note. Let's cut open the egg for breakfast. Yum! We need syrup. Oh, Biggie, I don't think that you can actually eat this. Or can you? Well, I have the scissors here. Should we cut it open? Yes? Kind of nervous. Okay, here it goes. I am going to cut it open right now. What? Nothing happened. Okay, let's try it again. Oh, jeez. Whoa! Okay. Oh, boy. Squeeze it out. Where's the yellow liquid? It's just, oh, wait, it's still in there. What in the world? Do you see this? It's the egg yolk. Wow. Look at it. Okay, let's cut it open and see what's inside of it. More yellow egg yolk. Can you believe that? I always wanted one of these, and now it's cut open. It's so neat to see what was inside. Look at all the liquid. Well, if you like this video, down below you're welcome to like it. Subscribe to my channel, become a member of the Spirella family, where you can see more crazy and silly things my elf on the shelf do. As you can tell, they like to cut open stuff. Comment down below what you think my elves might want to cut open next.